We just got to get over a whole ick factor associated with eating bugs.
Mighty Cricket was formed in 2018 by Sarah Schlafly, who had previously worked in the food industry for more than a decade.
I was looking for something that could one day be highly affordable. And when I learned about cricket protein, of all things, I decided that this seems like, protein from bugs seems like a really sustainable, great way to get our protein in the future.
You've probably never thought about bugs for breakfast, but Sarah tells me their protein is the perfect ingredient in helping to get your day started.
It's very natural and it helps fortify our food. Bugs are great prebiotics, so the foods that have more bug protein or bug bits in it are healthier for us.
While the company is based in St. Louis, their cricket farm is actually in Thailand. Mighty Cricket receives their protein in powder form and does additional processing before it reaches customers.
It's not yet in a custom food source in our diet here in the US, but we can certainly learn a lot from different cultures around the world and adopt some of the great things that they're doing.
Sarah says when the crickets are in powder form, it makes them easier to eat and can help consumers get over their fears.
When I started the company, I didn't want to eat a whole bug either. One of the myths is that crickets are dirty. When you think about our protein sources, such as hot dogs or even just, regular ground beef. It's a lot dirtier than the way cricket is processed.
In case you were wondering, crickets are not vegan.
Some vegans want to start getting those key nutrients that you can only find in meat, and they want to do it naturally or in a convenient manner. So vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acids in a bioavailable form. Those are two of the key nutrients that are tough to find in plant-based meats.
Mighty Cricket offers oatmeal, pancake mix, and chocolate bars with, you guessed it, cricket protein. They also carry protein powders with 0 grams of added sugar. Sarah tells me the protein powders are versatile and can be incorporated into any number of recipes.
I really like banana bread, and the cricket makes a really great addition to that. It also blends really well into pretty much any sauce. So you can make like a pasta sauce and blend it into that, or hummus.